Hey there, Etsypreneurs! Today, I'm breaking down exactly how to find the perfect digital products to sell on Etsy. If you've been struggling to choose a niche or wondering what will actually sell, this video is for you. Let's dive right into it. Digital products are downloadable items like printables, templates, planners, or digital art files. The best part? Once you create them, you can sell them over and over with no inventory costs. But what makes a digital product successful on Etsy? Two things: demand and uniqueness. Step 1 is research. Start by heading to Etsy search bar. Type keywords like printable planner, digital wall art, or custom templates. Notice the auto suggestions. These show what people are searching for. For example, if you type wedding, suggestions like wedding invitations or wedding checklist might pop up. Next, scroll through the search results. Pay attention to what's selling. Look for listings with lots of reviews. This is a sign the product is in demand. Use tools like Etsy Hunt or Everbee to analyze top-selling products for insights into pricing, styles, and keywords. Now that you know what's trending, it's time to define your niche. Ask yourself, what are you passionate about? For example, if you love organization, focus on printable planners or calendars. If you're into design, consider digital wall art or business templates. The goal is to blend your interests with market demand. Having a specific niche, like planners for teachers or printable art for baby nurseries, helps you stand out. Before you commit to creating a product, validate your idea. Here's how. Search competitors. Look at similar listings on Etsy. Are people buying them? Engage with communities. Check out forums, Facebook groups, or Reddit threads in your niche. For example, if creating planners is the plan, ask teachers or parents what they'd like to see. Test a freebie. Offer a sample of your product on a platform like Gumroad or through your own website. Track downloads and feedback to gauge interest. Once you're confident in your idea, it's time to create. You don't need to be a professional designer. Tools like Canva, Procreate, or Adobe Illustrator are perfect for beginners and pros alike. Here's a simple process. Start with templates from Canva or Creative Market for inspiration. Customize the design to make it unique. Add your own colors, fonts, and layouts. Export the file in high-quality formats like PDF for printables or PNG for digital art. With your product ready, it's time to list it on Etsy. Follow these steps. Title. Use descriptive keywords. For example, editable wedding invitation template. Instant download. Description. Highlight what's included, how to download, and any usage tips. Tags and SEO. Use Etsy tags that align with your niche and product, like printable wedding invite, mock-ups. Use realistic mock-up tools like Placeit to showcase your product. Buyers want to see how it looks in real life. Here's the secret sauce bundle products. Combine multiple items for added value. Offer customization. Buyers love personalized options. Promote on social media. Use Instagram or Pinterest to drive traffic to your shop. And there you have it. A step-by-step process to find and sell digital products on Etsy. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more Etsy tips. Until next time, happy selling, and remember, your creativity has no limits.